I am trying to record a pass of UVSQ-SAT, which is activated only rarely. So I'll get the uplink and downlink. The uplink is given as 145,901. So I have set the uplink as 145,900. Now I have to set the downlink. That is downlink is 437.029. So I put it as 437.030, which is the nearest I have. The satellite is already in range. It has come to a 5-degree elevation and a azimuth of 346 degrees. It's near the north. I have kept my antenna to the maximum elevation azimuth around 280 degrees. I have kept it. Moxon Yagi has been pointed in that direction. And you can see that elevation is indicated by this green bar and direction or azimuth by this yellow bar. You can see the azimuth here also, 341, elevation 8, now 9, and you have the uplink frequency over here, downlink frequency, beacon frequency. These are constantly changing. As the satellite is approaching you, I am not hearing anything yet. This is a CubeSat. I am not sure whether I will hear anything. And if there is no one active also, I won't hear anything. This satellite does not need a tone for access. This has been activated at 000 UTC on 14th. That will be around 5:30 in the morning here. Activation is for 48 hours. So I think there are 4 passes in our region. But many may not try this satellite as it is rare, and being a CubeSat, the power also will be lower. I have to change the downlink now. It is 026 here. I have put it as 25. Uplink, I'll increase 1 step because it's already 903. So I'll put it to the next step. This is a 23-degree elevation pass. Now the direction of the satellite is almost in the direction of the antenna which I have passed. I'll just try giving a call. Victor uniform to Juliet Oscar. Now the satellite is beyond the time of closest approach. I have not heard anything so far. Victor uniform to Juliet Oscar. Victor uniform to Juliet Oscar. Now the satellite is going down. Victor uniform to Juliet Oscar. I could not hear anything on the downlink. If the satellite was receiving my signal and pushing it down on the downlink, I would have heard a signal in my speaker, and then that would have caused some little bit of feedback also. But nothing has happened. I am stopping now because it is already at 11 degrees and I am unlikely to get it.